event. It is a celebration of effort, excellence, and enthusiasm. Respected parents, your presence today adds all the grace and warmth to our annual function. You are our constant source of strength and inspiration. It's a true honor for me to welcome you all on behalf of Sanskar Vidyasagar.
I now requested our respected guests to kindly grace the stage. May I request the student council members to escort our honorable chief guests and dignitaries on the dais. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please join us in extending a warm, resounding round of applause to welcome our guests, our school principal, Mrs. Usha Shukla ma'am, and coordinator of kindergarten, Mrs. Anisha Matthew ma'am.
Thank you, Council. And now it's time to honor our nation and the values it stands for.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की stand it is
Knowledge to overcome ignorance just as sunlight dispels the darkness. It symbolizes our pursuit of wisdom and enlightenment with the upward flame representing our aspiration to overcome challenges. To perform this significant act, I invite our distinguished guest to the stage to light the lamp and follow with the program.
Flowers speak the language of respect and gratitude. With great honor and warmth, we now welcome our esteemed guests with floral greetings. As welcome our today's guest, Honorable Principal Shukla, Mrs. Usha Shukla ma'am. Thank you, Shabana teacher.
We have heard wonderful things tonight about the vibrant learning environment we foster here at Sanstar Vidyasagar. The early years of child education and agreeable, the most crucial setting, the foundation for all the further learnings. To provide us
To all our esteemed guests and dear parents, with great joy and immense pleasure, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you present here today. Your presence fills this evening with warmth and makes this occasion truly special. I am honored to welcome our Principal Shukla ma'am and also Shashi sir for our today's program. Coming back to my dear parents, it's my absolute pleasure to see so many of you here today. Your presence speaks volumes about your commitment, and for that I am truly grateful. Once again, I extend my heartfelt welcome to all of you, and I look forward to a memorable and meaningful celebration. I always take pride in saying that this is the institution I belong to because of the unity, integrity, and moral it upholds. Today marks a milestone in our kindergarten's journey, a moment to pause, reflect, and celebrate the beautiful tapestry of learning, growth, and joy that our young learners have woven throughout this academic year. As I stand before you, my heart swells with pride at the remarkable transformation we have witnessed in our little ones. In kindergarten, we believe that childhood is not a race to see how quickly a child can read, write, or count. It is a small window of time to learn and develop at their own pace, to wander, to imagine, and to bloom like flowers in a garden, each unique, each beautiful in its own way. Education in the early years is the foundation upon which we build tomorrow's leaders, thinkers, and dreamers. Today, as we gather together as one family, we celebrate not only our achievements of the past year, but also the collective spirit that makes our institution truly special. This annual gathering is a testament to the hard work of our teachers, the enthusiasm of our students, and the support of our management. Before I share our annual report, I want to take a moment to acknowledge what makes our school so special. It's not just our facilities or programs, it's the people. It's the dedicated teachers who arrive early and stay late. It's the support staff who knows every child by name. It's the parents who volunteer, who show up, and who care. And most importantly, it's our students whose energy, curiosity, and growth inspires us every single day. This past year has been one of the most outstanding academic years of tremendous growth and achievements. Out of the total 93 students who appeared in the 10 CBSE board exams, a total of 25 students marked their place in the merit position. 89 students secured first division. But the best part of it was that our city toppers, Ame Katpatal with 98.8% and Mayur Raidas who scored 97.8%. Among all the CBSE schools in Umred, you both remained the toppers. Hats off to you. Being the city topper is an outstanding achievement. Brilliant job on getting such top marks and making our school proud. Keep shining brighter. Apart from studies, we always provide a platform for students to showcase their talent in the fields of sports. We have one more excellent achiever in the field of cricket who has been selected for the national team and is a part of the Maharashtra cricket team. He is none other than our student of Standard 8, Master Rajveer Bodne. One of our students from KG2, Viransh Vaibhav Vedya, got selected for the Maharashtra State Skating Endurance Championship this year and secured a gold medal. Congratulations, Vaibhav. And many more students who got selected at the district level and played for the division level too, in sports like volleyball, table tennis, chess, skating, karate, etc. Apart from studies and games, we have budding writers too. Our student Vidhi Pawar of 9th standard published a book named Evina and Dear Father with an inspiring message given at such a young age. Charity begins at home, as the saying suggests. Our students collected funds to donate to a noble cause of Bal Shalya Kriya for surgeries of underprivileged kids. I am very happy to announce that this year we have collected the amount of 1,40,370 rupees for the noble cause. I would take this opportunity to thank all our parents for their support and cooperation. Our CBSE curriculum for kindergarten focuses on early childhood development, emphasizing play-based learning, hands-on experiences, and activities that engage young children's curiosity. It encourages creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking, which are essential for children's overall growth. For this, we provide our kindergarten students with small storybooks to enhance and foster their reading habits. Reading increases the attention span of our kids and allows them to focus better. Teachers then conducted some fun activities related to reading to keep the experience enjoyable and create a friendly reading environment. As a part of learning, education and entertainment, tours and trips were organized to Hyderabad, the Lighthouse, and the Goenka Water and Amusement Park for students to witness historical places that were academically related at various levels. The trip was also well enjoyed by them as they were under the constant guidance of their teachers. Learning extends far beyond textbooks in celebrations and festivals. From the patriotic fervor of Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, to the lights of Diwali, the joy of Christmas, colors of Holi, then Navratri, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan. Every celebration teaches our kids about our rich cultural heritage and the beauty of unity in diversity. Our little performers have amazed us with their confidence during various other competitions and activities like the Spell Bee competition, storytelling competition, drawing competition, speech competition, shlok competition, bhavgit competition, etc. Then various other activities were conducted for the students of all grades like Rakhi making, badge making, fort making, salad making, poster making, paper flower making, greeting card making, and even tree plantation activities, etc. The school and staff provides diverse opportunities for creative expressions and skill development across all grade levels. As you have seen, in this year's journey, our kindergarten is more than just a place of learning. It's where your child's curiosity blossoms and confidence grows. Our dedicated teachers, engaging curriculum and safe, joyful atmosphere ensure that these precious early years lay a strong foundation for all the learning ahead. We would be honored to welcome your family into our community and to be part of your child's first step into the world of discovery and growth. Parents seek admission here because they are making a long-term investment in their child's future. The confidence parents place in us speaks volumes. They come seeking admission, knowing their child will remain in caring and capable hands, not just for kindergarten, but for the entire school journey to the 10th board exams. It's this continuity of excellence and genuine care that makes a school a home for families year after year. In the heart of Umraid city, we are proud to stand as a beacon of accessible excellence in early childhood education. Throughout our Umraid town, our Sanskar Kindergarten has earned the distinction of offering the finest educational experience while maintaining the most affordable fee structure. While we take pride in the quality of education we provide, we also see that every rupee invested by our parents translates into rich learning experiences, nurturing care and a strong foundation for lifelong success. Our commitment is simple yet profound. The best education for every child at this mere cost, where every family can afford. Our school fees remains very affordable for all the classes. Yet, our results and standards remain the highest and meritorious. These achievements fill us with pride, but they do not mark the end of our ambition. As we reflect on these years of success, we remain hungry for more. This is not enough. We have bigger dreams, higher goals, and many more milestones to conquer as we continue our relentless pursuit of educational excellence for every child in our tender care. Now, we won't keep you all waiting anymore. Just after the school sports updates, we'll move forward to the golden era of Bollywood to celebrate 100 years of cinematic excellence of the showman Raj Kapoor. The show must go on. Enjoy the show and cherish all the beautiful memories. Thank you.
And determined hearts. Every race, every fall, and every victory teaches our students the resilience, the leaders, and our students learn resilience, leadership, and courage to rise again. On the field, they do not just play to win. They play to become the champions in their lives. Now I would like to invite our school sports minister, Parth Baraskar, to present the sports report.
Friends and my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. Myself Parth Baraskar, and I am the sports minister of Sanskar Vidyasagar. It gives me immense pride and joy to present the annual sports report for the academic year 2025-26 of Sanskar Vidyasagar CBSE School, Umraid. Sports are an integral part of education. They develop discipline, confidence, teamwork, leadership, and physical fitness among students. This year has been a year of hard work, participation, and achievements in various games at Taluka, district, division, state, and national level. This year, our students participated in 11 different sports, including volleyball, badminton, kabaddi, kho-kho, karate, skating, athletics, yogasan, chess, table tennis, and cricket. Our teams represented the school in CBSE cluster level, zonal level, DSO games, taluka level, district level, division level, state level, and national level tournaments. Selected student division level, state level, and national level. DSO under 17 volleyball, Lakshmi Wankhede from class 9th and Purval Mate from class 9th selected for division level at Gadchiroli. DSO karate, Mihir Kamde from class 9th selected for division level Gadchiroli. DSO table tennis under 14, Yusuf Khan from class 7 selected for division level selection trials. DSO skating under 11, Hitarth Thakre from class 3rd selected for division level. Viransh Vaibhav Vedya from KG2 selected for Maharashtra State Endurance Championship and selected for Roller Athletic National Championship 2025-2026. Yogasan, a proud moment for the school. 12 students were selected for division level Yogasan championship in artistic yoga, rhythmic yoga and traditional yoga. The selected students are boys Kartik Mali, Sarth Kamble, Chirag Hazare, Vipul Mohol, Arya Shivankar, Soham Devikar. And from girls, Chavi Barapatre, Lavanya Mohankar, Swara Gabne and Divyanshi Singh. Cricket under 17 DSO. Vedant Tigre from class 9 and Himanshu Parmar from class 8 selected for division level trials. Under 14 DSO, a big achievement. Rajveer Bodne from class 8 has been selected for the Maharashtra state cricket team. He will participate in the Maharashtra team training camp to be held at Jalgaon and will further represent Maharashtra in the national cricket tournament in Rajasthan. This is a moment of immense pride for the school. Our physical education teachers have guided, motivated and supported every student throughout the year. We would especially like to recognize Dr. Amit Gajbie sir, Kajal Mende teacher and Saitra Vedya teacher for their valuable support and contributions. A heartful acknowledgement to Suvarna Lanjewar teacher for her excellent yoga training and to Snehal Sahare teacher for her dedication in karate coaching. We are truly grateful for the continuous efforts of our entire sports team. These achievements would not have been possible without the hard work of our coaching team. Thank you.
Thank you, Parth, for such an amazing sports report.
स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं
everyone for the beautiful performance.
So now I request the pride of our school, the school captains Atharva and Ayushi, to introduce the theme of today's program. Thank you everyone and enjoy this wonderful event.
I am Ayushi Arikar, head girl of Sanskar Vidyasagar for this year.
I am Athav Kambdi, head boy of Sanskar Vidyasagar for this year. Before we further proceed the program, we would like to thank our respected principal ma'am and teachers for giving us this opportunity to begin this wonderful event.
Every year, Sanskar Vidyasagar and we Sanskarians celebrates its annual function not just as an event but as a festival of talent, values and creativity.
Our school organizes this event in a unique and meaningful way, sometimes through culture, sometimes through history, and sometimes through legend. After the grand success of Day 1, where we witnessed a powerful drama on Mrityunjay based on life of Karn.
The drama that touched our heart and taught us the true meaning of destiny, loyalty and tonight we are back again to make Day 2 even more memorable, more special and more interesting.
के बीच में आईपीएल कहाँ से शुरू हो गया?
अरे आईपीएल नहीं है, वो देखो कौन आ रहे हैं.
अरे ये तो हमारे स्कूल के छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं जो आज जोकर बने हैं.
Exactly.
और जोकर से मुझे याद आया मेरे फेवरेट चार्ली चैपलिन.
और तुम्हें पता है इंडियन चार्ली चैपलिन कौन है?
इंडियन चार्ली. अच्छा, क्या जो तुम कह रही हो और ये जो लोग दिखा रहे हैं क्या वही आज की हमारी थीम है?
Exactly.
So ladies and gentlemen, it's time to reveal our tonight's theme. The showman of Indian cinema, Mr. Raj Kapoor.
Atharva.
Some people still decide which career they should pursue. But at 24, our young Raj Kapoor was directing a movie, Aag.
And not just directing, he built his own studio, RK Films, which is like creating your own universe of dreams. Raj Kapoor wasn't just an actor, he was a director, producer, editor and even a composer. People say he could look at a scene and instantly know, emotions come hai, light badao and
boom!
Magic happens.
We all love his style, his black coat, his hat and a red rose that came from his love for Charlie Chaplin.
Okay, and he gave that character an Indian soul, the common man of India, who is filled with emotions, joy and hope.
You know Ayushi, our today's theme Raj Kapoor perfectly fits on our young performer.
Of course, because Raj Kapoor films reflected innocence, simplicity, the same qualities our young performers from KG 2 to 7th will be bringing to the stage this night.
Raj Kapoor's make the same way our young performer will make you feel how childhood memories look like. So ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you all to the
great annual function of
Sanskar Vidyasagar 2025. The showman of Indian cinemas, a tribute to legendary star Mr. Raj Kapoor. So sit back,
get relaxed,
and let the magic of melody begin.
Let the cinemas fill in the air.
For further proceeding, we would like to call upon our classmate Devyani and Prutha. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha and Atin. Good evening to everyone present here. On behalf of the entire school, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our respected chief guest, esteemed parents, devoted teachers, and the bright young students who bring life to this campus. I am Rutha Kendre and I am Devyani Gurnule from class 10B. Let us proceed the program further with warm hearts and big smiles. Today is the second day of our school's grand annual function of year 2025-26. What an annual function is. An annual function reflects the spirit of the school, its discipline, its warmth, and its belief in nurturing each child to shine in its own unique way. Rutha, do you recall the renowned thought by George Eliot that beautifully captures this moment? Yes, Devani, I recall it very well. It is never too late to be what you might have been. And to complement that, William Blake once wrote, great things are done when men and mountains meet. The smiles we are about to see today need no explanation. They will speak for themselves. So with immense pride, genuine warmth and deep appreciation, we invite you to enjoy this very moment of this celebration. Let us allow our young stars to show us what happens when imaginations and efforts come together. तो पॉजिटिव सोच प्यारी सी बात इसी वाइब के साथ करें आज की शुरुआत. To begin this beautiful evening on a graceful note, we present the welcome dance by one of our youngest group of performers, that is KG1. The welcome dance is a symbolic gesture, an expression of joy, a gesture of respect, and a reminder that new beginnings always carry a special charm. As they prepare, we invite you to simply appreciate the innocence that defines childhood. Their steps may be tiny, but their enthusiasm is truly inspiring. So, with warm hearts and encouraging applause, we welcome our KG1 children to present their welcome dance. So, let us give them a huge round of applause to encourage them. Their performance filled the stage. It all created an atmosphere that touched every heart here. There is something incredibly beautiful about the confidence of young children. Even the simplest gesture, when done with pure enthusiasm, becomes special. And what stood out the most today was their eagerness. They come forward with excitement, with pride, and with pure happiness only children can express. These moments remind us that the value of a performance lies not in perfection, but in sincerity. And today they gave us sincerity in its purest form. We also extend appreciation to the parents and the teachers who guided them with so much patience and care. Let us applaud our casual performers once again for filling the stage with such sweetness and spirit. Next, we present our adorable nursery students with a performance that carries a sense of nostalgia and timeless charm. They will be performing to a beloved vintage Bollywood track from the year 1960, sung by legendary Mukesh Ji from the film Chaliya, starring Raj Kapoor. This song has remained unforgettable for decades. Its rhythm is cheerful, its melody is light-hearted, and its playful tone continues to delight audiences of every generation. Today, this timeless tune will come alive once again, this time through the innocence, the energy and pure joy of our nursery students. Chehre par glow, dil mein cheer, let's start the show, give a big cheer. So, with great pleasure, we invite our nursery stars to the stage. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह दम दम जिगर
performance. इनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखकर मुझे एक ही बात याद आती है, सिंपल सी खुशी, प्यारी सी वाइब. आज का फंक्शन है फुल ऑन ट्राइब. Let us offer our nursery children another huge round of applause for giving us such a bright and memorable moment. Now we would like to hand over mic to our fellow coordinators Shravani and Jia to proceed the program further. Thank you.
And Prutha. Let's keep the energy high as we continue with our next performance. Good evening to everyone present here. I am Shravani Ole
And I am Jia Boya. Welcome you all to our grand annual function 2025 with warmth, joy and lots of excitement.
Let's bring this beautiful day with our next performance filled with talent, creativity and celebration.
श्रावणी, परफॉर्मेंस शुरू करने से पहले
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. तुझे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से ढोल. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. ला 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 ला. में कांटे लाख बिछाए, होनी तो फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए. अनहोनी पथ में कांटे लाख बिछाए, होनी तो फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए. ये बिरहा ये दूरी तो पल की मजबूरी, फिर कोई दिल वाला काहे को घबराए. करम कम धारा जो बहती है मिलके रहती है, बहती धारा बन जा फिर दुनिया से डोल. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. ला 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 बैठी सांवल गोरी, थाम के तेरे मेरे मन की डोरी. पर्दे के पीछे बैठी सांवल गोरी, थाम के तेरे मेरे मन की डोरी. ये डोरी ना छूटे, ये बंधन ना टूटे, और होने वाली है अब रहना है थोड़ी. करम तम सर को बैठा चाहे यार, गोरी से नैना जोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल. तुझे होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल. एक दिन बिक जाएगा
our tiny KG. Round of applause for their hard work, their dedication, and of course their cuteness.
Thank you KG2 kids for such a heart-touching performance. You all made us smile, made us clap and fill this evening with joy.
Next performance bringing back the charm of the golden era of Bollywood. This time when music was sweet, simple and full of innocence. जिया, परफॉर्मेंस शुरू करने से पहले एक छोटी सी पंक्ति हो जाए।
हाँ जरूर, गाने का मजा तभी आता है जब दिल भी थोड़ा डांस करे और चेहरा मुस्कुराए। और आज के छोटे आर्टिस्ट को देखकर तो लगता है अगर आज राज कपूर जी भी यहाँ होते तो वो भी कह देते, अरे भाई मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख पर इन बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस जरूर देख। एंड यस, the song is the evergreen मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख from the classic film She 420 in 1955. It was sung by Mukesh, composed by legendary duo Shankar Jaikishan and written by brilliant songwriter Shailendra.
गाना कहता है मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, बट आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज ओनली लुक टुवर्ड्स द स्टेज बिकॉज आवर टाइनी KG2 stars are ready to perform the song मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख.
With the cute steps and bright smile, they sure to bring back the old world charm in the sweetest way possible. So please welcome our little star from KG2 performing Mud Mud Ke Na Dekh.
मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख
नैनों से नैना जो मिला के देखे, मौसम के साथ मुस्कुरा के देखे, दुनिया उसी की है जो आगे देखे।
नैना से नैना जो मिला के देखे, मौसम के साथ मुस्कुरा के देखे, दुनिया उसी की है जो आगे देखे। मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के।
दुनिया के साथ जो बदलता जाए, जो इसके साथे में ही ढलता जाए, दुनिया उसी की है जो चलता जाए।
दुनिया के साथ जो बदलता जाए, जो इसके साथ में ही ढलता जाए, दुनिया उसी की है जो चलता जाए।
मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के। जिंदगानी के सफर में तू अकेला ही नहीं है, हम भी तेरे हम सफर है।
जिंदगानी के सफर में तू अकेला ही नहीं है, हम भी तेरे हम सफर हैं।
मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के, 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 मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख, मुड़ मुड़ के।
What an adorable performance. Tiny KG2 पर आ गए हो. And those little steps, I think half of the audience forget to blink. मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख का गाना था, पर हम सब तो इन्हें ही देखते रह गए.
So please give a big round of applause for our KG2 performers and for their teachers who trained them with so much love and patience.
Now I request Ashlesha and Bhargavi to kindly take the mic and proceed for the next part of the event. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone. A warm and heartful welcome to everyone present here. I am Ashlesha Khanorkar.
And I am Bhargavi Mani.
We are truly delighted to have you with us on this beautiful evening.
Up next, we present a dance performance on truly classic and soulful song Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
By the way, Bhargavi, do you know why this song is so special?
Of course, Ashlesha, because it reminds us that beauty is not just seen, it is felt, isn't it?
Exactly, and that's why today's performance is going to touch our hearts. क्योंकि आज के परफॉर्मर्स सिर्फ डांस नहीं करेंगे, वो एक भावना को जीवित करने वाले हैं.
Do you know the beautiful track is from 1978 Hindi film Satyam Shivam Sundaram, a romantic drama directed and produced by legendary Raj Kapoor, starring Shashi Kapoor and Zeenat Aman.
Also, this song itself was sung by the iconic Lata Mangeshkar, composed by the legendary duo Lakshmikant Pyarelal, and written by the celebrated lyricist Pandit Narendra Sharma.
अच्छा अश्लेषा बताओ, अगर हम शायरी ना कहें तो शाम अधूरी नहीं लगेगी?
हाँ, तो हो जाए फिर एक.
ठीक है. सत्य की किरणों से जगमग सारा संसार है, शिव की शक्ति में छुपा है रहस्य अपार है.
सुंदरता तो दिल की पवित्रता का दर्पण है, यही संदेश देता सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम हर बार है.
तो बिना किसी देरी के लेट्स वेलकम our talented performers of class 4 who are ready to fill the stage with the devotion of Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
So please give a huge round of applause for our wonderful performers. Wow, that was truly mesmerizing. Such grace, such devotion. It felt like we were